Welcome back. Third video before the market opens. Does it ever feel like there's a silent battle inside your mind? On one side, greed whispers, today is the big opportunity. On the other, fear reminds you of yesterday's loss. What if I lose everything again? So ask yourself, honestly, are you really trading? Or are your emotions making the decisions for you? Why do most traders move their stop loss at the last moment? Why do we panic at small losses, but rush to close trades too early when in profit? Most people believe trading is a special talent, something you're born with. But in 1983, a strange bet in Chicago completely destroyed that belief. Legendary trader Richard Dennis claimed he could take ordinary people from the street and turn them into successful traders in just 2 weeks. And he proved it. An accountant, a security guard, a young gamer, all of them went on to become million-dollar traders. Not because of talent, but because of system and discipline. He called them the turtles. Dennis didn't teach them how to predict the market. He taught them something far more powerful. Trust the system. Trust the math. Trust the process. This audiobook is not just about charts or strategies. It's about transforming your mindset. Are you ready to remove emotion and become a disciplined turtle trader? Because your biggest transformation starts now. Traders are not born, they are made. For years, people believed trading was like singing or sports, a natural talent. But that belief was challenged by a debate between Richard Dennis and William Eckhart. Eckhart believed traders are born. Dennis believed traders are trained. So Dennis made a bold challenge: I can train anyone to trade. They placed an ad in the Wall Street Journal, selected people with little to no experience, and trained them for just 2 weeks. The result? Extraordinary. Within a few years, these turtles made millions of dollars. A 19-year-old named Curtis Faith alone generated over $30 million. The lesson is simple. You don't need talent. You need a proven system and the discipline to follow it. The real problem is not the market. It's our unstable mind. Dennis taught one powerful rule: don't think. Just follow the rules. Because when rules are clear, emotions have no place. The turtle system was simple. Enter when price breaks a 20-day high. Exit when price breaks a 10-day low. For long-term trades, enter at a 55-day breakout. Exit at a 20-day low. No predictions. No news. Just price action. Because price is the only truth. Why do 90% of traders fail? Because they think about profit, but ignore risk. Dennis said, position sizing is 90% of success. The turtles risked only 1 to 2% per trade. Even after multiple losses, they survived. And survival is everything. Trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon. The biggest enemy in trading is not the chart. It's inside your head. Fear, greed, revenge trading. If you cannot control your emotions, no system can save you. True discipline means following rules, even after 5 losses in a row. Because success is not measured by one trade, but by 100 trades. Think of trading like flipping a coin. One flip means nothing, but 100 flips reveal a pattern. Trading works the same way. Professional traders don't chase quick wins. They focus on executing 100 trades with discipline. Because consistency beats luck. Trading is not just about making money. It's about building your character. The market will test your patience, expose your weaknesses, and reflect who you truly are. If you are impatient, it will punish you. If you are disciplined, it will reward you. In the end, Richard Dennis revealed a powerful truth. I didn't teach them how to trade. I taught them how to believe in math and the process. So, tomorrow, when you sit in front of your screen, ask yourself, are you taking just another trade, or are you building your future as a disciplined trader? Remember, great traders are not born, they are trained. And your journey begins today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and support your fellow traders.